Hello. Hello.
Video call. Video off करते audio screen share Hello? Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Am I audible? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Yeah, am I audible?
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, I joined, but you're not
Hello?
visible.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me? Yes, can
Yes,
you
I
hear
hear
me?
you. Hello. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Last Saturday or Friday, I have taught you about the videos, right? Do you have any doubt in that?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes. Last week I taught you about the videos, right? How to create. Do you have any doubt in that?
No, I try to create on videos. Some videos I create.
I saw actually you haven't given.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear now?
Your voice is not connecting. Hello.
Yeah, can you hear now?
Yes, I hear.
Can you hear now? Yeah, I saw your videos, okay? You haven't put voices.
Video is not visual. Only voice has coming.
Your videos, okay? I've seen your videos. I didn't find any audio. You haven't given audio for the videos that you have created.
Yeah.
You made some 3 slides, right? I saw that, okay? And I didn't find audio for that.
Yeah, I can't put the audios.
In the sense, like you don't know, like I have to teach you.
No, I know, but I will try the video, but video is not input in the video, making video. So I leave.
Okay. But you know, right, how to put. Do you have any doubts in
Yeah,
that?
I know. No.
Okay. Okay, fine. Then I'll do one thing. At the end of the session, I'll give you some script, okay? like scene wise what you have to do. I'll give you the script and do the video based on that script. Okay, I'll check your work.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 second, just be on the line. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
नहीं कुछ करेंगे नहीं कुछ करेंगे
Hello.
hello 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 why are you not connecting device why क्या करें ठंडा खेलने अकेले हमें खेले 500 देंगे 5 रुपया खाने देंगे खाने लोग नहीं बोलोगे
Hello. Hello.
why are you not speaking why are you second मातम करो
ना ना ठीक है सुतो सुतो
सिग्नेचर इंक्लूड है भैया सिग्नेचर वहाँ पर
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. Hello.
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 Okay. Listen, do one thing. Yeah. You can hear me, right?
Yes, now I hear you.
I'll do
Hello.
one thing. At the end of the session, I'll give you one script. Oh, yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, yeah. Yes, now I hear
Yeah.
you. Yes, hello.
Yeah. At the end of the day, I'll give you the script. Okay. At the end of the session, I'll give you one task. Okay. Scenes, I'll give you like each scene what it represents. I'll give you. You just make one video on that. Okay. This time, put the voice also.
Okay.
Script I'll only give you. Okay. Don't worry. I'll send you through the WhatsApp. Just do that video for today. Okay. And I'll just show me tomorrow. Got it?
Yes, I got
Hello.
it. Hello.
Okay. See now today I'll teach you. Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Okay. Now I'll teach you how to create post. Okay. On Canva. This is post. This comes under SM. Okay. Got it?
Lavanya, you hello.
Can you hear me? Hello,
Only I
Nishan. Can
hear
you
you. Your
hear?
video. Yes, I hear your voice is only come, not.
Yeah. Your video won't come. You can see my screen, right? You can see my screen, right?
No, I can't skin your screen because net is so slow. Only voice is coming.
Can you see the screen now?
Hello.
Yeah, Nishan. Can you see my screen now?
No, Lavanya is troubling because the net is slow. Only your voice is coming.
Okay, any other option for the net do you have?
Yeah, I try to, but I can't reach. The net speed is 7 kbps, 13 kbps only. So only your voice is. I already joined the webinar, but only voice is coming, not the visual display any.
But without showing anything, it's not possible to teach. Okay, I'll just tell you something theoretically. Okay, once your net is fine,
Yeah,
I'll show you. Okay. Okay. First thing is like, do you know anything about SEO?
yeah, yes.
Okay, can you tell me like, what do you know actually?
Hello. Yes, now
Yeah, hello.
yes, the video is visible.
Okay, now you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, now today I'll teach you how to create post on Canva. Okay. Here in our company, we maintain 4 social media sites. Okay. That is Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These are the main sites. We also have other Pinterest and all, but these are the main sites that even you have to maintain when you join here. Okay. So every day we need to post something and optimize the images also. So we only have to create the images in Canva also here. Okay, I'll teach you how to create. Uh, have you tried Canva that day? I taught you, right? Do you remember? I taught you do while doing video. Have you tried
Yeah,
that?
yeah, I remember the. Yeah, I remember the Canva is
Yeah. So
getting
this is
a
the
image.
Canva. This is the Canva site. Here, if you want to create a design, for example, if you don't know the resolution, some post resolutions might not be here and you want to create a post on that, then you can go here, create a design, go to custom designs, and here you can give width and height of the picture. And once then automatically the pic resolution will be set and you can start creating the images. Okay, that is how if you don't have the particular resolution or something like that, you have to do. But anyways, since we are doing post for Facebook post, we already have this, right? You can see that 940 into 788 pixel it's showing this post. Directly you can click here. Even for Instagram also we have. So directly you can create. So for example, I'll show you for Facebook post. Okay, it's loading, right? Okay, this is the Facebook size resolution. And what kind of post you have to create is related to the courses which we give. You know, right? The courses which we give, big data, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, all this. Okay. So related to anything you can create. Go on search on net. Okay, related to something. Or always try to give something like real world statistics, okay, statistics or analytical information, okay, so that users, whoever views that, they'll feel find it interesting. For example, I'll show you. We are giving course related to IoT, so I'll show you. I'll type on net IoT statistics 2020. I've got it. This is for the information, okay? Just for taking one information. So I'll go to the first site and I'll just check any point, okay? Any catchy title, okay? Around 100, just one headline you can take, around 100 words or something. Don't take too many, like 300 words or something. Just around 30 to 40 words also, it's fine. Characters, not words, characters, sorry. So here they've mentioned, let me see anything, any catchy title if I find, I'll take from here, okay? Okay. I didn't find anything, I'll go back and go to some other site, okay? I would statistics for 2020 is there, no? I'll go on that, click on that. Okay, can you see here highlights for IoT statistics? Can you see this? Hello?
No, your video is not coming. Only voice is coming. Hello.
My video is not shown.
No, only voice.
Then how can I teach you?
Yeah, it's still Satish. Satish says me after some
Yeah,
time
what's other store?
he said the videos. Satish said sometime he shared the
Huh?
videos. Hello.
Sometimes? Tell me.
Satish says that sometimes he sent me the videos. I said the Satish only voice is coming. Satish is
Okay.
saying no problem. Only after that he sent me the videos.
Okay, fine. Anyways, I'll teach you like this. I'll share you the videos. Anyways, this will be recorded with the screen so you can watch it. Once you download it, you can watch it. When offline also, okay, I'll tell you. So I'll go to net
Where I
and type for
downloaded the videos?
IoT statistics.
Where I download the
The
videos?
Satish will download it and give it to you. Okay, I'll tell him. Okay. Okay. Now, like, see, now, like, I have to create some catchy titles. First, I need to take one title. So, I have gone to net and typed IoT statistics. Then, I got a number of web pages. Under that, I chose one. There, I found I highlight for IoT statistics as something good and interesting for me. In that, I'll take one point. This point, that is third point I'm taking. By 2020, the number of IoT devices in home will rise to 12.86 billion. Okay, this I find it interesting to make a post, so I'll copy this and I'll go. Since this is related to IoT, I'll go to Canva and start searching for IoT objects or elements. Okay, first I'll choose one template. Let me choose a template first. Once I choose
It is
the
also
template, then I'll
related
go
to
for the.
SEO.
It's related to SEO only. Once you create image, how you post them, how the keywords that you give, that is related to SEO only. I'm telling you, wait. So first, let me select one template. Okay, for example. Okay, I just selected this template and I'll edit this. Okay. Okay, this few things which are not needed, I'm removing them. Okay. Then I'll go for elements and I'll search for IoT logo. I'll just check IoT logo is visible or not. Okay, IoT logo is not visible, but I have downloaded it from the net and I have uploaded it on the Canvas. So I'll take that itself. I have it here in uploads. I'll take that and put it somewhere in the corner and I'll change the background color. I'll go here, this one. I'll change the background color to something like this, or if you want to change it dark or light, go to the new color here, and in that you can change it to light, completely light or completely dark, like this, however you want. So, and so now I have pasted that whatever I have taken, I pasted that. Okay, from net. Pre-webinar, this is not needed. April 3, this is not needed. Whichever is not needed, I'm removing that. Okay. Then I'll increase the size or I'll delete it. Okay, let me change the style. Okay, I'm changing the style. I'm changing the style. Okay, whichever you feel it's good, you can try for that. Okay. Now, since this is related to statistics, I will take images, something like graph or something like line or something, data, something which represents data. So I'll go to elements and search for data. I'll type data here and give enter. Then I'll get some images related to data. Statistics is something like this, right? You can expect something like a graph or something. So I will, okay, this looks good. It's like graph. So I'll take this. This is related to statistics. So I'll take that image and I'll paste it here. If you want, you can change the color. It's yellow. If you want, you can change the color also. Then okay. Okay, now once your image is ready, you have to give the logo. I already told you, right? Logo should be blue colored. In
Hmm.
cases of the logo doesn't match to the background, then you can take white color, or you can take, or else it's preferred to take blue itself all the time. Or you can download the PNG image of Provatec, and that logo also you can use. I have downloaded it and I have uploaded it on the Canva. So I'm using that image itself. I'm going to uploads and I'm searching. So I'll just check this. I'm pasting and seeing. Okay, it is suiting. So okay, I'll feel like this is. I can paste this. Let me do it. Yeah, hello. You're understanding, right? What I'm teaching.
Yeah.
Hello. Okay.
Ha,
So
hello,
now
hello.
I have pasted. Yeah, you can understand me, right? Whatever I'm teaching.
Yes.
Okay, you can see my screen also, no?
No, only voice.
Now are you able to? Now are you able to see my screen?
No, no, only voice is coming.
Okay, anyways, okay, we'll give the downloaded video for you. You can check that. So now my image is ready. You can make it however you want. You can make it attractive. You can use different templates, different text, different objects, color, and make it attractive however you want. So now my image is ready. So once it is ready, here you'll find a download option. Automatically, here file type PNG will be suggested automatically. Okay. If you want to change to something, you can change also. You can change it to PDF, JPG, or GIF, animation, or anything. Animation is paid, that's why we are not using it. So I'll take PNG image because PNG image will always have a good clarity image. So I'll usually take PNG only. Automatically, it'll be PNG, so you don't have to change anything. So it's PNG suggested. Then I'll download this. So now my image has been downloaded. Now we have an image. What we have to do is we have to optimize this image. We have to do assemble, okay? So how
Yes.
you do this, I'll show you. Now I'll go to my notepad and now this one, whatever the text I have given in my image, that only I'll give here also. I'm taking my notepad as for reference, okay? Because directly can't go to Facebook and write whatever I want. This is just for reference. From here, I'll copy that to the Facebook or other social media sites, okay? So now my image is ready. Now I'm copying the same text here. That is by 2020, the number of IoT devices in homes will rise to 12.86 billion. Okay, so that is the word. Then I can also give something more about IoT. Some more information is about IoT. So I'll copy this. IoT is now regarded as the next big thing. I'll copy this. This thing I'll copy and I will paste it. Sure. IoT is now regarded as the next big thing. By 2020, the number of IoT devices in homes will rise to 12.86 billion. Okay, and remember one thing: whenever you're doing any optimization, okay, the text content, whatever you're giving, it should be minimum of something around 100 words if it is a title. If you're writing something description, it should be minimum of 300 words. Okay. The more you're content, the more good rankings you'll get on Google or any other social media websites. Okay. So write more content. Once the title description is ready, now hashtags. You have to give hashtags. Hashtags are nothing but, for example, if I give here hash symbol IoT and think this hash IoT in Facebook, for example, I'll show you. I'll click on the new tab and I'll go to Facebook. I'll open Facebook. This is our company, this thing. So for example, if I go here in the search bar, if I go and search for IoT, I'll get so many groups, right? There is something like machine learning, Internet of Things, or there will be some names related to that. So when I give hash IoT, it means that my image, I'm telling my image to get it into these groups. So at that time, for example, this page or this group has some 1 million people following it. Then my image with one hashtag, it will go to that 1 million people, and 1 million people can watch see my image at a time. Okay, that is the main reason why we give hashtags. Okay, and if you want to know more on hashtags, go to net on type hashtags.com or besthashtag.com so that you will get to know. So now you have understood why we use hashtags, right? Now you have to know like what kind of hashtags you have to take. See, for Facebook there'll be certain different set of hashtags. For Instagram something different set, and for LinkedIn different. So for that, if you want to know hashtag, there is one site, okay? There it will give you hashtags based on your topics. That is besthashtags.com. This one I feel it's good to take hashtags from here, besthashtags.com. Or you can go for other sites also. Or you can give like hashtags for separately, like Instagram, hashtags for LinkedIn. So separately also you can go and take. Now besthashtags.com I have opened. It's getting open, it's loading, wait. So this hashtag, this best.com is in general, okay? Either for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. In general, it will give you these are the hashtags used by these different sites. If you want particularly only for Facebook, then go to net and search hashtags for Facebook. If you want for Instagram, then go to net and search hashtags for Instagram. Now, since our topic is related to IoT, I'll open besthashtags.com, and here in the search hashtag bar, then I'll give IoT because we are writing something related to IoT, right? So I will type here as IoT and I'll give search. So you'll get hashtags related to IoT. Yeah. See, now the new another window has opened where you will get hashtags related to IoT, right? So you can take this, whichever you feel that are related. It's all mixed up, okay? So this IoT, technology, Internet of Things, tech, all these are related to IoT only. So I'll take this and I'll go to my notepad and copy all this. And okay. Whichever is related to IoT, I'll take this. Okay. First one are most popular Instagram IoT hashtags. Okay. These are the first preferred. This first box. These are the first preferred one. Second box, whichever the hashtag they are giving. These are the second preference one. So I'll see if there are anything more related to IoT. Let me check. Blockchain security. No, nothing is related. Industry startup. Okay, digital is something related to IoT. I'll go for that. Then I'll copy here, paste. Then I'll give some of my own hashtags. Okay, I'll give, since our more thing is we are giving courses, right? The main thing of a company is we are giving courses on different categories. So what I'll write is I'll type like IoT course. Next hashtag hash IoT certification. Remember, for any hashtags whichever you're giving, you have to use this hash symbol, okay? Hash symbol you have to use. There are some certain sites where you can directly give in the box without using hands, but now since we are creating this on our own, we have to give hash, then the word whichever you're giving. Now I've given course certification over, then I'll go hash, I'll give IoT tutorial. So it's all related to the courses, right? Tutorial, certification course, then training. This is also related to course. So I'll give IoT training. Okay. Now my hashtags are also ready. Try to give at least minimum of 7 to 8 hashtags. You try to give, or 6 to 7. But don't give too much bulk also. So once you give, okay, one thing is, in another tab you can give the hashtags, or directly in the sentence which you write here. In this also you can give, since it's related to IoT, you're only in front of I'll give hash IoT, like this you can give, or separately here also you can give. If for example, if this word was IoT course was somewhere here, meaning it had a meaning with the sentence, then you can give the hashtag there itself, or you can give it separately like this also. Anyhow it's fine. Or you can do this also, few you can give here, whichever hashtags you can give here, you can give it in this sentence, or you can give it separately. Now once our hashtags is ready, our content is ready, then the next thing is URL. We have to give a new URL, right, related to this. So when you give a URL, what happens is when you post it on the Facebook or Instagram or something, if any user clicks on that URL and watches wherever the IoT thing is, he'll get redirected to that page. Okay, when he gets redirected to that page, he will watch that page. So that means we have one backlink. We have got one backlink. So that's how it is. When we give a link or post anywhere, and how many people are clicking on that link and are actually watching that. So that is nothing but a backlink. Okay. So since we don't have any URL related to IoT, since we have not started that, we have not started building on that website, I will give the main page URL. Okay, that is protect.in. That one I'll give. Since we don't have any URL, I'm giving that one. So at least people will get redirected to this page, the courses page, whichever we have. So I'll go to, this is nothing but this you don't have, this sheet you don't have, this is company documents. So the sheet one sir gives you, you can use from here also. So this sheet I have it in my Google Drive. I'm taking from here. These are keywords, okay? Keywords are nothing but the phrases or the words where people type in usually in Google, okay? So okay, now I'll take this URL protect.in, since there is no URL related to IoT. See, for example, here we have Hadoop related URLs for Hadoop course. For Python course, we have Python related URL. Since there is no URL related to IoT, I'm taking the direct URL, that is main page URL. Okay, protect.in, and I'll give it in between. Then I'll give some spaces. Sorry, I'll give some spaces here, and I'll give space here. And always, okay, main thing that attracts people is the content title what you give. Okay, then only people will read. And the image also, it should be good, and the content, these are the main things. Okay, so now once your content URL and hashtags is ready, now it's time to post it on different sites. That is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Okay, now I'll show you how to post it on Facebook. Now I opened. This is the company once, Protect.in. Let me show you. Yeah. Let me go back. Okay. Now see, this is when you have to post. I think you know how to post it on FB because you would have used. This is the page for company. Okay, this is a business page. Protect. This is the business page. So in write a new post, whichever the image we have created, take that, upload that. This one, right? By this one, yeah. Now open. Okay. Now the image has been done. Now whatever you have created in Notepad, take that,
Now your video.
copy. Okay, fine. Now my video is shown, right? So whichever we have created on Notepad, copy that and paste it in this. Now, once you have done everything, share that, post that. So my post has been posted now. The post which we have created the image, now it has been posted. Now, if you come back here, see now you can see, right? Our image has been posted. Now, this is only with us, only with Facebook. Whoever follows our page, only they can see our images, right? Whichever we have uploaded. Now I have to share it in some group. I have to share this in few groups. First, you have to join the group. Okay, I think IoT group is not there yet. I have to join them. So before posting it in a group, try to join the group. Okay, this is the new course. That's why when I haven't joined, share it in a group. Since I don't have IoT group, I'll share in some general groups now. So now group, I will share in big data something. For example, big data. So I got these groups, right? These are the ones which I have joined. Once you join, then you can post it in group so that many people will have this image. So many people can see our post and click on the URL. So now I'll post it in some group, just in some general groups. So if you want to join any group, I'll show you how you join is in the search bar of the Facebook, type IoT, okay? IoT. Since it's related to IoT, I need IoT. I will IoT. Then see, you can find here so many groups, right? Click on join. How you want to join, it will ask either from page or from your since I have admin access, I'm joining from my personal account. Okay, so join group, and I'll click on this join group. I'll give in this section, group section is there, right, next to places. So you can click on this also groups and try to join. Okay, as many as you can join. Okay, if you have joined, now I'll come back. I've joined. Come back. Come back. Okay, 1 second. So now I'll go to the page. Now once you join the groups, later you can post in that groups also. Now come down and see where is your post and try to share it in the group. Now this is the one which you have created. Share it in group. Share in a group. I'll share it in IoT. I'll type. I got one. I'll share it in this group. Maximum try to share it in 8 to 9 groups. Okay. Always. And if you come here, if you want to see engagements, okay, since I have posted now, we haven't got any engagements and all. If you come here down other videos, I'll show you other videos or images. Here you can see 14 engagements and 3,126 people reached. That means this video that I have made, it has reached to 3K people. Okay, that's what it means. Engagement means, I'll tell you what are the engagement. Engagements means it's something like how many people have liked your post, or how many people have interacted with your post, or how many backlinks you got. I told you backlink is nothing but any user, once you click on that, 1 second, I'll show you. I'll open this 14 engagements. I'll click on that and I'll show you. See, you can see the graph, right? Top audience, how many people have viewed. See, 122 minutes viewed. And it will show you how many people are 93% people are men who has viewed our images, and 7% is women. These are nothing but statistics, okay? It's just not posting is important, right? Statistics is also important, so that we'll get to know where we lack and we can try to optimize based on this statistics. So in this 93% are men and 7% are women. We have to think why only men are watching, why not women? And then we'll get to know. Then based on that, we have to work on that. So now you saw this graph, go to post next to the video option. Then you can see here. You can see here performance of your post. So it will show you like how many people have liked, how many people have commented for this and all. Okay. You can see here 3,126 people it has been reached, this particular video, and 3-second video views, 435 people have viewed it for 3 seconds. This many people viewed, that means they haven't watched the complete video. Then we have to think like why they haven't watched the complete video, what changes we can do for the next post so that it will improve the video views. Then here you can see 8 likes, comments and shares. This is in total I have got likes, comments and shares. In total I have got 8. Then I'll come down here. Then you can see 7 people have clicked this post. They have clicked this post but they haven't watched the video. Then 4 clicks to pay. So it has reached 3,126 people here. But how many people out of 3,126 people, only 4 people have clicked to play and not all the people, right? So not only reaching is important, how many people have clicked it, how many people have viewed it, that is also important. And I haven't given any link here. There's just hashtags and content, so that is why 0 links. Okay, I haven't given any links. That's why. And three other clicks. Other clicks means it can be something apart from the video. Somewhere if you click here or somewhere side to the Facebook, that is also called other clicks. Okay. Now I have shown you this. Now come down. I'll show you another post or something. I'll take one post and I'll show you. Wait. Okay. This is one image. Now I have showed the statistics for videos, right? Now I'll show you the statistics for this one post. For example, see, now you can see this post has reached 1,261. 1,267, sorry. And if you come here, this one, whichever I showed you, this had reached how many people? Something around 3,000, right? Then we have to see where we lag. Why only so much people have to reach, or why only so many people have reached. Maybe like we haven't used the proper hashtag, so there is might be some other reason. We have to find out and do predictions, okay? So now if I go to 1,000 people reach, I'll click on that. So I'll get the details of the post. Now, if you see here, post details, performance of your post. Now you can see 11 likes, comments and shares. So in total, likes, comments and shares, it has been 11. And 3 people. 3 people have liked the post. Okay, that's what meant by 3 likes. And this 3 likes, they have liked from the groups which we have posted. Okay, and on post is 0, on shares 0. This is not necessary. No one has commented, and 8 shares for our post. And photo view 0. And you You can see one link clicks, right? We have got one link clicks. That is only nothing but backlink, okay? One link click and two other clicks. See, I have given the URL, but out of 1,267 people, 3 people have liked and only 1 people have clicked the link and watched this video. This is the YouTube URL video I have given for this particular post, okay? So out of people, it has reached so much, only 1 people have watched. So this we have to increase links, likes, all this also we have to increase. For that, we have to see what are the possible ways, how we have to make and all, okay? So these are the statistics if you want to see. Based on the statistics only, we'll get to know where we are and how to improve it, okay? So that is the thing. Got it, right? You understood, no? Statistics. Any doubts in statistics? How to see? Yeah, hello?
Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, you understood statistics? Any doubts you have in the statistics that I showed?
Yeah.
You understood or what?
Yeah. Yes, understood.
Okay, you understood how to post, how to share it in groups also, right? If that particular group is not there, you have to join the groups, then you have to share, okay? These are the main, okay? The title, the text, what you give, this is the main thing. This has to be proper, okay? This has to be optimized properly. And this one, okay? Here you can include the keywords also, okay? Since IoT keywords we don't have, I haven't included those keywords, okay? And keywords are nothing but, for example, if I go to new tab, for example, think like I want to search related to something called, okay, I want to search something related to cooking. You think I have some doubts in cooking, I want to learn something related to cooking. So I'll give something like masala puri, for example. I want to learn this. So I'll give. So this word, whichever you are typing, is keyword, okay? So many people, some people will type like how to make masala puri ingredients, masala puri powder, something like that, or masala puri videos. So whatever any user, whatever they type on Google in order to get information, the words that they use, those are only called keywords, okay? The phrases or the words or the sentence, whatever they use, those are only called keywords, okay? How the users search on the search engine. Okay, those are only the keywords. So, for example, see here. Can you see here in the sheet, the company sheet, you can see here Big Data Training Institute in Bangalore, Big Data Training in Bangalore. These are the keywords. Okay, since we give related to courses training institute ourselves, so we usually people search these kind of keywords. So that's why we have taken here. People, if for anyone, for example, you only, you want to learn a course related to big data. So on it, what you'll search, guys, search something like big data training or big data tutorial, big data courses, big data training institute, best big data training. Or in particular area, if you want, you'll search like big data training in BTM, big data training in Rajeshwari Nagar or Rajeshwari Nagar, something like that, right?
Yeah.
So the words which people try to search it, I mean type it on the search engine, those are only called keywords. And our SEO is mainly SEO is mainly on the keywords. Keywords are like base for that SEO. Okay, so you have to always choose proper keywords. It's like base for SEO. Now Facebook, since there are no keywords, that's why I haven't used any keywords. We don't have IoT keywords still. We haven't started IoT thing. That's why I haven't used any keywords here. So now Facebook is over. I'll teach you how to post it on Twitter. I'll show you. I'll go to Twitter. These are the company pages, okay? These are the business pages, okay? It's not like our Facebook or something. In normal Facebook account, if you see, you'll not get this engagements, all this, right? Statistics and normal FB pages. This is the company website and there's the business page. You can also create the business pages here in FB. So that's why we're getting all this. So now I'll go to Twitter and I'll just go to the profile and see. And if you come here, you can see that Twitter resolution, right? It is rectangle shape, and this is different resolution. And Facebook, if you see, it's square, right? The resolution is different. So this image, what I have made for Facebook, I can't make it for Twitter, right? So I'll go to Canva here, and I'll type here Twitter post in the search bar of Canva. I'll go here and type Twitter. Now I have got Twitter post is there, no? To this pixel 1024 into 512 pixels. This is the Twitter post. So click on that. So automatically you'll get the Twitter resolution. This blank page I'll take the same thing. Whatever I have done for Facebook, I will copy all this and paste it in Twitter. So now I'll copy all this. I'll copy, select everything at once and give Control C. Go to here, give Control V. Use shortcuts only for Canva, okay? If you give right click and paste, it won't paste. See, you can see here, if you give right click and give the option paste, it'll be like see text and images copied to the clipboard, allow, but still it won't come. That's why you have to give shortcuts. See, it's also showing like give this kind of shortcut things. These actions are unavailable using right click menu. These options are not available, okay, by using right click paste or right click copy. So that's why we use for copying Control C and for pasting Control V, and for that you'll give Control X, okay. So I have copied this. Now I have to copy the background. So I'll go to the Facebook post that I have created. I'll select the background. I'll give Control C. Come to my Twitter post. I'll give Control V. So now I've copied, but this is not in the correct position as like this. Now I'll go and make it in the correct position. Protect was stored in for my Facebook post, so I'm giving it here. Then IoT, I'm giving it here. Now I'm making it proper. And this one, this image, whatever I have taken, I'm giving it here in between. Okay, now ready, right? You don't have to create from the starting, okay, for different resolutions. The same image, we have to post it on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, but the resolution is different. So you don't have to create again all the time. Whatever you have done for Facebook, just copy it for Twitter. Now my Twitter image is also over. Now I will download it. I'll go to the download option, PNG suggested, and I'll download it. Okay. Now my Twitter image is downloaded. The same thing which we have copied in Notepad, the description and URL and hashtag, the same thing you can give it, okay? You don't have to create new text or new this one, what is that? New URLs again hashtag. The same thing which you use for Facebook. The same thing you can use it for Instagram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp as well. Okay, so the same thing which I have in my notepad, I'll copy that. I'll go to Twitter and here tweet. Tweet is nothing but if you want to post anything, you have to go to this option in Twitter. Okay, unlike Facebook, here you can post, right? If you want to post anything, it's like you have to write a post here. But in Twitter, it's not like that. You have to go to tweet option if in order to post anything. So I'll go to tweet. Now you can post whatever you want. So whatever the description that I have taken in my notepad, I'm copying it here. See, I have got right. I've got it. Now I have to take the image. So this image symbol is there, no? I'll go to here. If yours is GIF, you can take GIF. If you want to include any smileys also, you can include also. But anyways, I'm not including any smileys. I'll just take one image whichever I have created. It's downloaded here. Yeah, I got this and title design. It has been saved as. I'll open. So now I got my image as well. I don't want any images. I'm not searching. I'm just leaving that. Okay. So now my image is there. Even my content is proper, and it is nothing but posting. Tweet here writes it. It's posting this tweet. If you want for creating, okay. This tweet I'll give it post. Okay. Now my image has been posted. So this whatever you see here, this symbol, 3 lines you can see, right? One large, one small. These are the statistics, okay? Since just now we have posted, we won't get statistics for that, okay? At least we need to wait for the class. I'll show you for some other things we have posted, okay? This, if anyone comments, means it will come here, okay? It's like. It's like, okay? If anyone likes this image, they'll click here. If you want to download, this is the option. For statistics, I'll show you. So now tweet analytics or statistics, you can call anything is fine. So now impressions. So see this impressions for this particular post or video that I have been. It is showing the analytics. Impressions is nothing but no, it has 87 impressions. Impressions is nothing but how many times people saw this post on Twitter. In this particular platform, how many people has viewed, have seen? 87 people have seen this post on Twitter. And how many people have actually viewed this? So many people have seen, but they haven't viewed it. All views. The video views only 4. So only 4 people have viewed my video. But many people have seen this video, but they haven't viewed it. I mean, they haven't clicked the option to play and viewed it. Okay. So that is the statistics. You will not get more like Facebook, whatever it is. Here they'll give only like in this, for example, impressions in Twitter, it is shown. But if you go to Facebook, I've shown you the analytics of Facebook. Facebook is little different, but the meaning is same itself. It's like engagements here. You call engagement and go, it's impressions you call. And under engagement, they have posts like shares, right? Here it will only show you impressions. So same thing, meaning is same, but the way they have taken is a little different. So this is the tweet analytics. You have to click this symbol, analytics symbol, if you want to see the tweets, okay? For any image or any post or any video that you posted, you can see. Now we have posted on Facebook, Twitter. Now LinkedIn. And remember one thing, Facebook and LinkedIn has same resolution, okay? They both have same resolution, Facebook and LinkedIn. So whatever the image that we have created for Facebook, we can use it as well as for LinkedIn also. So you don't have to create another one. Only for Facebook, you have to create one that can be used for LinkedIn also. Instagram, you have to just you have done Facebook. And for LinkedIn, Twitter, you have to create and paste another new one. So for LinkedIn, not necessary because Facebook and LinkedIn has same. So I'll go to LinkedIn. I'll open new tab. LinkedIn. This is again the company profile itself. LinkedIn. Okay. See, now it's the main profile you have got, but you should not post it here, okay? For even Facebook or Twitter, you should not post it in the main profile. You have to post it in the pages. Can you see here Provatech towards your left side? This Provatech page you have to open. Then only you should post it from Provatech. This is the main profile. To the main profile, they have added the pages. Okay, so that's why we have to go to Provatech separate page. In that page, we have to post even for Facebook or LinkedIn also. So now I'm opening Provatech. Because if you post directly here, it'll be from this person as posted. Whoever is this Abhishek Mother Service account. So that it means like that person has posted the post. So we don't want it to be like that. We want the Provatech. From Provatech, the page has to be posted. So that's why I've clicked on the Provatech option. Now Provatech page will be open. It's loading. Just wait. It's taking time. It's loading. Just wait. Sorry. I think it's loading, it's taking time. The network, just let it load. Now, whatever we are doing, okay, this post creation and sharing it on Facebook, giving hashtags, all these keywords, this comes as SMO. Okay? This is not SMO. This is under SMO. This is social media optimization. Okay, this is not search engine optimization. Remember this difference between SEO and SMO. For more information, just search on net and get to know, okay, what exactly is SMO, what is SEO. Now, what we are doing is SMO. This comes under SMO. So now the Provatech page has been opened. Now I have to post it. I'll give here start a post. I'll give the same information I told you, right? The same information you have to post, give it for all the social media sites. So same information and same post. I told you, right? Facebook and LinkedIn resolution is same. The image size is same. So that's why I'm using the Facebook image itself. Now, once I have given this information title, then I'll go for this camera symbol and upload my pic, whichever I want to share it. So I'll go press on this. Here you can see, right, the Facebook image that I have downloaded here. The same image can be used for LinkedIn. So I'll select that and I'll give open. Okay, now once it's taken, I'll give done. Now it will show you with the image. Yeah, everything is fine. So I'll give post. It will take some time. It's posting. Just let it post. It has got posted. The same thing here for here also you can see the analytics. This is the post, we won't get the analytics so soon. I'll come down and I will see here show stats. Then for this video, and click on the show stats so you'll get to know the statistics. So you can see here. Video views we have targeted to all the followers who are follow our LinkedIn page. We have targeted everyone. You can see here 2 total thing is 2 under that organic stats hence is nothing but we are doing it freely, right? We are not using any paid methods here, right? Whatever we are doing, it's through free. So organic is nothing but whatever we are doing is free. Inorganic means paid methods that we use. So that's why it's representing organic stats. And 4 impressions we got. 4 impressions is nothing but 4 people have it has got reached the 4 people have viewed it. 0 reactions. We haven't got any reaction for this. That means they have liked or comments or whatever it is. That is called reaction. 0 reactions. 0 click through rate. That means click through rate means how many people have clicked our link. Okay, since I haven't given any link here, that's why click through it is 0 comments. No one has commented for this 0 shares and 0 clicks. Since I don't give any links, so it's showing you. Show you for another video. Let me see. Okay, this I've given links, right? So I'll give show stats here. But still, because no one has clicked video, but the link that have given us clicked. If they click this link, they bring back to the page that I have targeted. Okay, I've clicked this, no? Will get redirected back to our page. Okay. This site can't be reached. Issue it's low. So this is your post on link to see stats. You can see stats. Okay, for more information on statistics, just okay on net like LinkedIn statistics, how to watch, what is click through rate exactly, what is engagement rate. so much that I have to teach you. Exactly is what is saying, and go to net or search. So now you are posted on Facebook, Twitter over, LinkedIn over, that one is Instagram. So Canva, and in the search bar, Twitter post, now to search as Instagram post, okay? Just Instagram post.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Nishan, can you hear?
Yes. No. Yeah, hello.
Yeah, now can you hear?
Yes, I hear you.
Hello.
Yes, I
Yeah,
hear
okay.
you. Hello.
So now, yeah, I can hear you. Yeah. Okay, now I'll go to Instagram post because we have to post on Instagram, right? Facebook resolution can't be taken for Instagram. Okay, so that's why we have to create another new one. So I'll go to Instagram post now in Canva. I will search that and wait. So I got the blank image, right? This is the resolution of the Instagram post. I click on it. So we have already made the image for Twitter and Facebook, right? The same thing you can take. I'm copying all this, selecting all this, and I'm giving Control C. And go back to my Instagram. This and I'll paste it here. Yeah, it's loading. It's loading. Just wait. I've given control V. Just loading. It'll taking time. Now Facebook we have posted, so I'll just cancel this. This is not needed anyways. Okay, see, have got my things. Now I'll go to the background. So it's the background and hit Control C. Come back to my Instagram post. Click on that and I'll give Control V. Now I've got my post back here, and I'll rearrange. Okay, however it was for Facebook, I'll rearrange them in the same way. I'll take it here a little down. I will put this one here. Okay, now I have arranged them in the proper way. Now once my image is ready, I'll download it. I'll go to the download option towards my right and download it. Okay. This is the PNG suggested. I'll download it. This net is slow. Just wait here. We got it. So I've given download it. Now it's been downloaded. Remember for Instagram, you can't post it from the network. You have to post it from the company mobile. Okay. Since like we are now working from home, I don't have the company mobile, so I'll give this. I mean, I'll share this thing to sir. So he will post it on WhatsApp and Satish will post it on Instagram. Okay. So for WhatsApp image, the same image, whatever you're using for Instagram, you can use it for WhatsApp also. Remember, okay? One thing, Facebook and LinkedIn resolution is same. Twitter is different. Facebook, whichever image you create for Facebook can be used for LinkedIn also. Twitter is different. Facebook and LinkedIn resolution is same, and Instagram resolution is different. The Instagram resolution which you have used, you can use it for WhatsApp as well. Okay, Instagram can be used for WhatsApp, Facebook can be used for LinkedIn, Twitter is separate. Okay, just remember that. So you don't have to create another new one for WhatsApp. Okay, whichever you have been created for Instagram, use that for WhatsApp also. Now come back to WhatsApp. Okay, once you have come back to my WhatsApp, this is my account. From my account, I have to share to three people. Okay, one is to Satish because they're working from home. Mobile is not here, so share him. So share it in the Instagram, in mobile, and one we have to share it for Pune people. Pune also. Because branch in Pune also, so we have to share it for the Pune also. One for sir. Okay. So if you come here, I'll show you. These are things that I have saved. Okay, Protect. This mobile is with Satish Protect Vodafone. The company mobile. Share this image, whatever we have created now, so that he will, if I share, to share it on Instagram. Okay? I'll go to the symbol. Okay, how do you open WhatsApp here is, I think you know this, right? WhatsApp web you have to open. Go to Google and type WhatsApp web. To type here. Wait. So it's loading. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
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 Yeah, Nishant, you can hear, right? Yeah, Nishant, you
Yeah,
can
right.
hear, right?
Yes, I hear.
Okay. So for Instagram, I'm sharing it to this Protec Vodafone. Okay, this is the company one. This I have shared it as Protec Vodafone. Okay. Just wait. Where is that? Protec Vodafone. Okay. This mobile is with Satish right now. Okay, so you'll share it on the Instagram. So for that, how you open this WhatsApp in your net is go to Google, type WhatsApp web. Once you type WhatsApp web, you'll get a number of things. So go to the first one, WhatsApp web, whatsapp.com. Once you open here, it will ask you to scan the code, okay?
Hmm.
You have to scan the code. So for that, open your WhatsApp and above three dots, if you open there, there will be option called WhatsApp web, okay? Third option in WhatsApp, and you have to scan. Once you scan, it will open like this. Since I have already scanned it, it has already opened, but you have to scan it before opening WhatsApp on your laptop. So, okay, that's how you open WhatsApp in your laptop. Okay. So from here, you can share it to anyone. So now I have to share it to Protec Vodafone, right? This is the Instagram mobile which has. So I will choose the photos and videos from this attachment. I'll attach. I'll choose. I told you, right? Instagram image. This is the Instagram image that we have created. So open and share it. Okay. Okay. Now I've shared the images. I have to share this also. This link and this hashtags which we have created in Notepad. That also I'll share. Once you have shared, this has to be shared in groups of WhatsApp also from Vodafone mobile. Okay. That Satish is only doing now because since work from home, he has the mobile. So he'll only share it in the group and Instagram as well. So now we have to share it in the WhatsApp so that from our company mobile, sir will keep our pic, whichever the pic I have created as status. Okay, even Pune people also, we have to share them. They will post it in WhatsApp. Okay, they will share it in the status for WhatsApp. So this is the company one, the main number of the company. So this also I'll share so that they will share this on the WhatsApp. So I told you, right, WhatsApp image and Instagram image you can use. Okay, for WhatsApp you can use the same image which we have created for Instagram also. So I'll choose this Instagram image that is same resolution it has. That's why I'm using this for WhatsApp. I'll open and share. I'll share it to sir. The same thing. Over now I'll share it for the Pune people also. Pune people will they'll take care of posting it. You just have to share them. They'll only post it. Okay. So I'll share the same image, Instagram image for WhatsApp. I've shared. Okay. Done. So remember where all you have to share the thing. That is one, Facebook, Instagram. Second, third, LinkedIn. Then fourth, what Twitter. Then WhatsApp. Okay. In WhatsApp, you have to share it for three people. That is one is for company main mobile number and company second mobile number and for Pune people. Okay, these people you have to share. They will put them on the status. You just have to share them. Okay. Now over. This is how you create an image, optimize and share it. Okay, and you understood about analytics. Now you have any doubt?
No, I have
Hello.
any doubt.
You
Yeah,
understood,
hello.
right? Do you have any doubts? Haha.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, understood.
Understood, right? Okay, today I will give you one task, okay? That is, you have to create one video. I'll give you the script and give the voice also. If you have any doubts, ask me, okay? I'll give you the script. So you create the video, add voice for it, and what else? That's all, okay? I'll check it tomorrow, okay? This is one task.
Okay.
If you have time, after creating video, if you
Okay.
have time, try to create this post, whatever I've showed, this post and how do you optimize this URLs, hashtags and all. this content, you don't have to share them on Facebook and all. Just try to create this post, any post, okay? And this kind of text or something, this text hashtags or have even links and all, just try to give that, okay? If you have time after creating the video, okay? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, if you have time after doing video, do this, okay? I'll check it tomorrow.
Okay.
But main thing is first you finish up the videos. If you have time, do the post creation as well, okay? If you don't have time, then do it tomorrow. But today task is you have to do the video.
Post video on only now.
Only. And for video also, you have to give the same description like this only. Your video is about what you'll give here in the description part, and you'll give one link, same thing, same hash, this kind of hashtags you'll give. Okay. For example, if your video is related to Python, you'll give Python description here. Some text you'll give, some information, catch information. Python URL you'll give here, and hashtags related to Python you'll give here, okay? The same thing you have to do. The same way how we have shared posts in different media, the same video which we have created, same way you have to post it in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, okay? How I've showed you for the post, the same way you have to share it in different social media sites also, okay? Got it?
Where I got a script.
I will give you the script for today, okay? But you know how to search on
Okay.
net also, right? I told you, you can go and search on net also. You can take any information available in net and make it as a script, okay? Script I'll give you, don't worry. You just make the video, okay? Try to write this kind of information also, what I've showed on notepad.
Okay.
And give the voice also, okay? You know, right? For voice, what you have to do, text to speech demo, you have to convert first. Then online
Okay.
audio converter, okay?
Okay.
First you'll convert text to speech demo and then online audio converter, okay? Remember this too. If you have any doubt, just ask me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then another thing, this is SM, okay? This is related to social media optimization. Whatever this video you're creating and posting, these all comes under SMO, social media optimization, okay? Search on net, more on search engine, social media optimization, search on net for more information, okay?
Yeah.
I've told you in general whatever what it is, how to do. I have showed posts and videos. For more information, analytics and all, you can search on net. I've told everything in general. Now coming to SEO, okay? Under SEO, there are two types, okay? On-page SEO and off-page SEO, okay? On-page is nothing but any activity that you do on the page. On the page means on the main web page. For example, I'll show you. For example, I'll show you with our company only. Our company, Provatech.in. Right? So this is the our page. So any activity that you do on this page is called on-page activities, okay? Directly, the activities which you do on the page is called on-page activities. Whatever you do here, those are on-page activity, okay? Optimization. So what is off-page optimization is something which you do from third-party website in order to get backlinks to this particular website. That is our website. Those are called off-page activities, okay? The activities which you do on third-party websites. Okay, that is called, for example, something which we did on Facebook, LinkedIn, directly we are not doing to our main page, right? This is the main page, or something which we are posting on Pinterest or something that we are not doing on our main page, right? We are not doing anything on our website, right? We are getting it from other external sources, right? Those are external sources. So that is called off-page activity, okay? Something apart from our main page, whatever we do, those are called off-page activity, okay? Okay. Then I'll tell you what all off-page activities include. Off-page activities include blog commenting, social bookmarking, guest blogs, article submissions, and Web 2.0, then forum submissions, PPT, PDF submissions. All this comes under off-page activities. Okay.
Hmm.
I'll teach you one by one. You understood, right? You have any doubt in what is on page and off page? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
You understood?
Hello.
Hello. You understood? Hello?
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now you tell me what do you understand by
Hello.
SEO? Tell me. Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello. Nishan, can you
Hello.
hear?
My voice is coming. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me. What do you understand
Yeah,
by
I hear you.
SEO?
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me what do you
Yeah,
understand
I
by
understand
SEO?
SEO. Yeah.
No, I'm asking
Yeah,
you
yeah,
what
I
you
understand. I
understand in
work already
SEO.
on SEO.
Okay, you have already worked on SEO. Okay, fine. So then what all you know in SEO? Because I don't have to teach you from starting, right? If you already worked on SEO. Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm asking you what all have you done in SEO so that I don't have to teach you from starting, right? If you tell, I'll teach you that the things which you
No,
don't know. Hello?
actually, hello.
Yeah, tell me, what have you
Hello.
done in SEO? Can you tell me so that I'll teach something which you haven't done?
No, actually, I read about the SEO on YouTube. Verma sir gave me the some links about the SEO, and then I was
Hmm.
to understood the SEO.
Okay. So you understood what is SEO, right? Do you know anything about
Yeah,
off-page
little bit.
activities? SEO off-page activities.
Yeah.
Do you know about blog commenting? Have you worked before on blog commenting?
No, no.
Hello? You're completely
Hello.
new to this digital marketing, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you're completely new, right? Okay. Okay, anyways, now you understood what is on page and off page, what is SEO, that is clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So you know, right, what is the main aim of the SEO to get rankings and traffic to your site. You know, right, what is ranking, traffic, and all. I don't have to explain, right? If you have any doubt, means you can ask me. I can tell you what exactly that is.
Okay.
So you tell me, do you have to explain what is SEO and all? Or directly should I go for off-page activities? Tell me. Hmm? Yeah, tell me. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Your
Yeah,
voice is
Nishan, tell me.
breaking.
Yeah, can you hear now?
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear?
Listen. Yeah, I hear you. Hello.
I'm asking, should I teach you what is SEO, all that, or directly go to off-page activities? I'm asking. Hello. 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 Hello, Nishan, can you hear?
Hello. Hello. Your
Yeah,
voice is not
Nishan.
coming properly. Hello.
Okay, okay, Nishant, I think some network issue is there. Okay, tomorrow I'll teach you off-page activities. Okay, is that fine?
Yeah. Hello.
Huh? Yeah,
Yes.
hello,
Okay.
Nishant.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so for today's task is you create the video. I'll give you the script now, okay? And study for tomorrow thing, study what is on page, off page, what are the off page activities and all, okay? I will send you the links also, don't worry. Okay, you
Okay.
understood everything, right? What I explained today. So try to create one video now. After that, if you have time,
Okay.
try to create the image which I showed you also. Tomorrow I'll teach you off page activity, okay? Because you're getting network issue, I'm not able to hear you. I mean, I'm able to hear you, but you're not able to hear me, right?
Yeah, right.
That's why. So I'll teach you off page activity tomorrow. Is that fine?
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, fine then. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll send you the script. Okay, don't worry.
Okay. Send me the script.
Thank you.
Thank-